And hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages or switched to a new phone and can't get your chats back, then today's video will show you how to restore WhatsApp data from Google Drive quickly and correctly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how WhatsApp backups work, how to recover your chats and media directly from Google Drive, what to do when the restore option does not appear, and how to use Dr.Fone to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, and how to use Dr.Fone in order to recover any deleted WhatsApp messages even if the backup is missing or damaged. So let's go ahead and get started. And of course, we're starting off with part 1, restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive on Android. If you recently changed your phone or reinstalled WhatsApp, the official restore method is the first step to try. WhatsApp can automatically detect backups stored in your Google Drive account and restore your chats, photos, videos, voice notes, documents, and even more. And here's exactly how to restore WhatsApp from Google Drive. First things first, make sure that you're signed in to the same Google account that you used for the backup. Then just install WhatsApp on your phone and verify your phone number. It must be the same number that created the original backup. After verification, WhatsApp will search Google Drive for your backup. When the backup appears on screen, just tap Restore and wait for the process to finish. Then go ahead and tap on Next to load your chats. Media files will continue restoring in the background. This is the easiest and most official method, but it only works if WhatsApp detects a valid backup on your drive. Which leads us straight into part 2. Check if your Google Drive backup even exists. If WhatsApp says no backup was found, the next step is to confirm your backup is actually saved in Google Drive. To check, please go ahead and follow these steps. Go ahead and open Google Drive on your phone or computer and log in with your Google account. Then just go to Storage and select Backups. Then look for a WhatsApp backup file. It should display the size and the last backup date. If the file is missing, outdated, or suspiciously small, your backup may not be usable. Now, many people cannot restore because they are logged into the wrong Google account or use a different phone number when creating the backup. If you still cannot restore, just go ahead and keep watching. Now let's get into part 3. What to do when WhatsApp fails to restore from Google Drive. So sometimes you have a backup, however, WhatsApp still refuses to restore. And here are going to be the most common reasons why this might happen. The Google account does not match the original one. The phone number does not match the backup number. Now, the backup is either corrupted or incomplete, your WhatsApp version is outdated, your phone does not have enough storage space, or your Wi-Fi connection is unstable. So just go ahead and try updating WhatsApp or freeing some storage space, switching Wi-Fi networks, or reinstalling WhatsApp altogether. If nothing works, or if you went ahead and deleted your messages and have no usable Google Drive backup, you can use Dr.Fone to recover your WhatsApp data directly from your Google Drive backup files or from your device storage. Now introducing part 4, recover WhatsApp data using Dr.Fone, the PC method. If you need a deeper recovery method or want access to deleted messages that are not present in your official WhatsApp restore, then Dr.Fone Data Recovery is the best option. It allows you to log into your Google account inside the tool, download your WhatsApp backup files, decrypt them, and recover messages selectively. Here's exactly how to use Dr.Fone to recover your WhatsApp data. So just go ahead and download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone on your Windows or Mac computer by using the link in the description. Then just go ahead and open the software. Then select Data Recovery and choose Android as the device type. Click Recover Google Drive Data and sign in to your Google Drive account through Dr.Fone so the tool can scan available WhatsApp backups. Then just select the backup file that you want to recover. Dr.Fone will download and decrypt the WhatsApp data. So preview your chats, photos, and attachments, then select what you want to restore. Then click Recover to save the data to your computer or export it back to your device. Now, this method is extremely useful if you happen to delete WhatsApp messages and need them back. The Google Drive restore screen is not appearing on your phone, your backup is corrupted and cannot be restored through WhatsApp, or you want to recover only certain conversations or media files instead of just everything from your last backup. Now, this is going to be one of the most reliable WhatsApp recovery options available. So let's get into part 5, tips to avoid losing WhatsApp data in the future. So to make sure that you can keep your WhatsApp data safe, follow these simple tips. Enable automatic backups in WhatsApp settings. Backup daily or even weekly to minimize data loss in case you would like to make sure that your data continues to be backed up. Then make sure that you check that your Google Drive has enough storage space frequently. And make sure that you use the same Google account and phone number when switching devices. And do make sure to connect to a strong Wi-Fi network while backing up or restoring to avoid any kind of connection issues causing your data to become corrupted. These simple steps can prevent future data loss and to make recovery much easier. And that's pretty much it. So today we went ahead and covered how to restore WhatsApp data from Google Drive, how to troubleshoot when the restore option does not appear, and how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages using Dr.Fone when backups are missing or incomplete. Now, which method would you like me to demonstrate on camera next? The official restoration or the Dr.Fone recovery walkthrough? Please make sure to let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, then please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss future data recovery tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.